Hi, we're on the peninsula Djursland on the Danish East Coast, and in this video I'll show you why this is one of the best holiday destinations in the entire country. Do you remember the stories your grandma used to tell you on Sunday afternoons? Her voice was filled with so many memories that when you closed your eyes, you could almost see the places in front of you. The hills, the fields, the sea. This is where she spent her summers as a child. The hills must have looked like mountains in her eyes. What do they look like to you? In the southern part of Djursland, there's a national park called Mols Mountains. Now, granted, what we call mountains here in Denmark, others would call hills, but this is a gorgeous landscape that you do not want to miss out on. They say that there are over 100 beaches here in Djursland. After your trip here, come back to this video and tell us in the comments below which one your favorite beach was. There's beauty in creating memories in a place you can return to, in a place that you can share with the people you love, to create stories that you will someday tell so vividly that those around you will want to experience it themselves. Summer on Djursland.